Hello everyone, this is Anubrati Devnath, a trainee under Lexis & Company for the month of June. So as you have already watched the title below, what this video is all gonna be about, so let's get started. So it talks about the necessity of a driving license, why a person should have a driving license. Subsection 1 says no person shall drive a motor vehicle in any public place unless he holds an effective driving license issued to him authorizing him to drive the vehicle, and no person shall so drive a transport vehicle other than section 1A motor vehicle, section 1A motor cab or motorcycle hired for his own use or rented under any scheme made under subsection 2 of section 75 unless his driving license specifically entitles him so to do. Now it tells that any person who is at a legal age to get into a drive, he should have a driving license. A driving license almost have a quality in it, because actually the papers and the material have a quality in it, because it was seen that these many fraud cases were being coming up according to the law, having similar or duplicate driving license. Now this was to prevent further doing or further duplicate cases or to fraud cases. The government decided to increase the quality of the paper or the registration numbers or printings in a license book. This has been done for the prevention of fraud cases. Now who can get a license? A person who is entitled or have a legal age according to section 4 of the Motor Vehicle Act, means who is not just a minor but having a legal age and sufficient or normal person, he can have a driving license. Now the driving license, if he is renting a car or getting into some car under any scheme, that should also include a driving license. Means the person who is driving the or holding the car or holding the wheel should have not holding the wheel, holding the steering. He should have a driving he or she should have, or the person should have a driving license. Now section 2 says the conditions subject to which subsection 1 shall not apply to a person receiving instruction in driving a motor vehicle shall be such as may be prescribed by the central government. Now the person should have a legal or authoritative driving license. Like, how should you know that? How do you know you have a driving license? It has a license book, and sometimes it's actually a card where there is a code. There is a part where you get the code, and that only the other than the police authorities and some motor vehicle regulatory authorities have the access to that special card, means the driving license. Now the driving license book should means actually the driving license book should contain the government regulations. According to the law, there should be a registration number, your name, your father's name, each and every detail, how, from where did you learn, and I don't think where did you learn, but the learning process and some of the rules that you have accepted while you were signing the license, means application. Now that was all what a driving license should have. Now few questions that are asked in according to section 3 of the Motor Vehicle Act is: number 1, what is contravention of section 3 and 4? Means 3 is one should have a driving license, and 4 is who should have a driving license, means it's a minor or any other person. So 181 says driving vehicles in contravention of section 3 or section 4. Whoever drives a motor vehicle in contravention of section 3 or section 4 shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine which may extend to 500 rupees, or with both. Now question number 2, I'm talking about the most common questions like people ask. What is the new Motor Vehicle Act 2019? So the Motor Vehicle Bill means Amendment 2019 is based on the recommendations of the group of transport ministers of state. Given that the act wanted to deter individuals from violating traffic rules, it has introduced heavy fines for drunken driving, driving without license, dangerous driving, overspeeding, etc. Next is, what is the penalty for traveling in a stage carrier without ticket or pass, or not producing ticket or pass as per Motor Vehicle Act 1989. It says whoever travels in a stage carriage without having a proper pass or ticket with him, or being in or having alighted from a stage carriage, fails or refuses to present for examination or to deliver up his pass or ticket immediately on a requisition being made, therefore shall be punishable with fine which may extend to ... Means fine was already there. I don't know why they made any such rules. Which section of Motor Vehicles Act 1988 provides for definition for driving license? Section 80. Driving licenses to drive motor vehicles belonging to the central government. Section 19. Power of licensing authority to disqualify from holding a driving license or revoke such license. And the last question. What is Section 184 of Motor Vehicle Act? I must say you should Google it, but then I have to tell. What is Section 184 of the Motor Vehicle Act? Section 184 Motor Vehicle Act is imposed for driving dangerously. In other words, any individual is guilty for the offense if they drive or ride their vehicle at speed or in such a way that it puts other people's lives in danger. I think it's a Salman Khan case. Anyway, thank you.